So I tried firing it up. I got it fired up it ran for about a minute. And so I was kind of going through everything. I thought maybe I needed to tweak the carb. I think the carb's good. So I pulled out the spark plug. Initially I had spark before I put the plug in. And now it sparks once when I hit the key. And it doesn't spark after that. So this thing has a lot of rust on it. When the grounds like to rust, you won't get a decent spark. So as you can see, there's some rust there. The ground wire is right here. I went and cleaned that up. Make sure I had a decent ground going to the block. What it was doing is it would spark on the first try, and then it would spark afterwards. Some of the issues with these are the kill switch. So there is a black wire. There's a black wire. Goes right here and plugs into the kill switch. Right there. So just unplug that and then you'll get spark. Let's see. And I'll show you what I got. It's basically you're bypassing the kill switch. And now when I go hit the key, I should have spark. Let me turn that on. Okay, put this on something metal. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but got lots of spark now. Before I hit the key, I only got one initial spark. Motor would turn over, and then I had no spark afterwards. Now that I bypassed the kill switch, now I got plenty of spark. Give that a shot. That's a quick fix until you can figure out what's really going on. So I'll give you a quick tip. Until next time.